I'm here with Bruce Bortree from Butler Manufacturing, our partner company, and we've been through a big adventure together, haven't we, Bruce?
We've had a long history with S-5, and we really think that our new assembly takes us to the next level. The roof is the Butler MR-24 roof system. It's our premier product. It's been around for 60 years. We have about 3.2 billion square feet in place today of the MR-24 roof, so there's a lot of space out there we could put some solar mounts on.
Yeah. So what we've done is we have put together a system along with Butler Roof, JA solar modules, and our mounting system, a high uplift resistant, our PVKIT HUR, and we are the first metal roof solar system to be listed with FM Global's 4478 PV standard. One test that we had to go through at FM Global in their lab was a uplift test that put a system under a bell jar and pull a vacuum on it, and we are now listed to 105 PSF uplift.
And we really think this system sets the standard for the industry.
This is a great message for people who are building new roofs, new buildings and putting roofs on, to choose a metal roof, because it's really the best place to put solar, as we know.
It's really the perfect basis for a solar system. You know, metal is really one of the most sustainable products out there. It starts as recycled material, and it can be recycled at the end of its useful life. So if you have a sustainability goal, start with metal. If you're looking at solar today, I think looking at the Centroplan system is the place to start.
We really think this is the next step in the S-5 relationship.
So the marriage of the two systems, we really think makes the ideal system for construction today.